This could happen to your charge controller. Sorry, I mean, this. When your solar panels are too powerful, or the voltage is too high, your charge controller can overheat, fail, or even catch fire. Let's fix that. Here's how to size your charge controller the right way. A charge controller regulates the voltage and current from your solar panels to your battery bank. But not all controllers are the same. To size one correctly, you must consider three things: current, voltage, and power. And remember, apply a 25% safety margin to all of them, as recommended by IEC Standard 62509. Let's go step by step, with an example. Imagine you have 6 solar panels, each rated at 300 watts. That's a total of 1,800 watts. You're using a 24-volt battery bank, and you wire the panels in 2 strings. Each string has 3 panels in series. Now, let's check the power limit. Your total solar input is 1,800 watts. Can your charge controller handle that at 24 volts? Let's say you're looking at a 60-amp MPPT controller. According to its datasheet, it supports 800 watts at 12 volts, 1,600 watts at 24 volts, 3,200 watts at 48 volts. But your array is 1,800 watts. That's more than the 1,600 watt limit for 24 volts. So, this controller is too small. You need something bigger, like a 100 amp MPT controller. For example, the EPE VER104015AN. It supports 1,300 watts at 12 volts, 2,600 watts at 24 volts, 5,200 watts at 48 volts. Perfect. Now check the current limit. Use this formula, power divided by battery voltage. 1,800 watts divided by 24 volts equals 75 amps. Now apply the safety margin. 75 times 1.25 equals 93.75 amps. So you need a controller rated at 100 amps or more. Now, let's check the voltage input, the open circuit voltage, or VOC. Each panel has a VOC of 39 volts. 3 in series gives you 39 times 3, which equals 117 volts. Now apply the safety margin. 117 times 1.25 equals 146.25 volts. Your charge controller must support at least 150 volts of PV input. The EPE VER104015 AN fits. But in colder climates, you might want a controller rated for 170 to 200 volts, just to be safe. Let's recap. For a 24-volt system with 1,800 watts of solar, you need a charge controller that can handle at least 1,800 watts of power, at least 94 amps of charging current, at least 146 volts of input. Round it all up, and go for 100 amps and 150 volts minimum. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Never size by panel wattage alone. Always check battery voltage and controller ratings. Don't ignore cold temperature effects on voltage, and never assume one controller fits all systems. Sizing a charge controller is more than just matching numbers. It's about system safety, performance, and long-term durability. We've attached a downloadable file in the description with a list of charge controllers and their key specifications. Also, check out the link to our other video, PWM versus MPPT charge controller. Which is better? This is CCIJ Tech Hub, smart energy, simple solutions. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.